Hey guys, welcome to the video. I don't know if you can really see me very well, but it's kind of weird. It's not.
Dang it.
I'm not used to starting the vlog in the dark like this, but it's Friday night, and thanks, lighting man, and we kind of had a fire. We had a fire in the backyard, a campfire, and a stick fell off and lit the grass on fire. So we had to put it all out. So we got a little pan. Here, I'll just show you. We got a little pan and put some coals in there and lighter fluid and got it going. So now we're roasting marshmallows. And yeah, it's...
Do you like your marshmallows black or
brown? Oh crap. Burned it.
I like a torch. I'm gonna make a marshmallow torch.
Alright, I'll see you in a second. So our fire's kind of going out. It can't really, doesn't look like it's going out very much, but that's...
Oh gosh.
There you go.
That's hot.
Yeah, that's how you get it to go, just a little bit of lighter fluid. And just like that, it's kind of dying out over there in that area.
Marshmallow torch. Just like I like them.
Is that mine?
Yeah.
Seriously? Burning mine?
Ah!
Oh my gosh! That's awesome.
No.
Did it fall? Where'd it fall?
In the
Oh my
fire.
gosh.
Good job. That's gonna make it taste all bad.
Oh well. So this is kind of a random story while we're cooking our marshmallows. I can't talk. No.
Oh crap! It's on fire.
Did you not know?
Gosh.
Anyways, we, one time when he spent the night, my friend spent the night with me, oh crap, the fire went out.
It's not like out.
I know, but there's just no flame. And, we made cardboard boats.
We should cook some wieners out here.
Dude. It is, wait, hold on, that didn't work. It's...
Sorry, do we need
10:22.
Do we need help from my watch right here?
Sure.
It's 10:22.
It's 10:22. You want to cook marshmallow? Or...
What the heck?
Seriously, you're just throwing burnt marshmallows at the wall?
Heck yeah. You need to get out of my way.
Idiot. Are you a cop or something? So we put a little wood on it. That might help a little bit. This kid got a hot dog.
Oh, the wiener.
Tomato. Like I said, it's 10:30. He's
A wiener's a wiener no matter what the time. Can't go wrong with wieners.
Probably gonna taste like lighter fluid, dude.
Probably.
It's been a few days since the last clip. I recorded that on Friday, like I said. And it is now Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday. And, a few things have changed. I got a haircut, as you can see. And we got some information on the trip to the Gulf in July. So we have a house rented for 5 days. And what are you eating? Sorry, she was eating a piece of plastic. And I don't have a GoPro personally, but my friend has an off-brand GoPro, and he was actually in the clip on Friday, a few of the clips before, and he's gonna let me borrow it in July. And I haven't talked to him to ask him if I can borrow it in June as well. But hopefully I can, and I'll get some mounts like a floaty handle, maybe head mount, chest mount, maybe like a wrist mount thingy. I'm not quite sure. And some voice crack. But yeah, I'll be sure to inform you. And sorry, I got a notification and I was moving it out of the way. I used to edit, or I had a sorry, I still can't talk. I do this all the time on camera. I used to film on my phone like I do currently, and I will for a while. But like I said, I edited, but I can't really like edit from a GoPro on my phone, because I could if it was a real GoPro, but it's not. It's an off-brand, like I said. So I got a new editing software, and I haven't tested it out. I'm not sure how it will work, but yeah, I don't know. And yes, I know I didn't upload this last Sunday, and that's why I'm trying to work on a video currently right now, so I can upload it today, Wednesday, or tomorrow and Thursday, because it's summer and I don't have school. So I could do that maybe, and do another one on Sunday. And I'm not promising anything, but I don't know what other videos I could do. Like, leave in the comments if you want me to do some maybe dirt bike videos later on, because I have a dirt bike. When I get a GoPro, do some riding videos, maybe a riding vlog. I could do a gaming video on Call of Duty, Black Ops 2, 1, whatever. Just leave in the comments what you want me to do, and if I have it, if I have the game, or if it's about the riding video, I could wait till I'm borrowing my friends, or wait till I get one to do it, because I personally, I really want a GoPro. I just don't have the money for it right now, and it would be nice to have, because you can do time lapses with them. You can film in the water when in a pool. You can do dirt bike riding videos, all kinds of stuff. And I forgot to mention this, but the sorry, I think I'm kind of losing my voice a little bit, so I'm apologizing right now for it. But I forgot to mention the house that we rented has a pool in the back. It's not a big pool. It's just like a little one that might go to, it's like there's a 3-foot side and a 5-6-foot side, something like that. It's not big, but I might be able to get some footage in there. And yeah, it's gonna be a blast. And in June, sometime around the middle of June, middle to late June, I am going with my other friend that is also a YouTuber, we are going to the Gulf as well. So, since he's a YouTuber too, I can, sorry, I had another notification. We'll be able to film a lot more than in July because it's family. But even though I do want to remember it, and that's one of the reasons why I do videos like this, is for memories. But yeah, I'm not promising that for both trips that I'll be able to film a ton, and I'm not promising anything about filming. I'm just thinking that in June I'll be able to film a little more. That's going to be the end of the video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below.